In the previous video, we explained about the importance of keeping a patient still if they had a spinal injury and only to move them if absolutely necessary, for example if they were vomiting. However, you would have also learnt from previous videos that an unconscious casualty who is breathing should be placed into a recovery position so a clear airway is maintained, which means they're placed on the side with an open airway which stops the tongue from blocking the airway and it allows fluids to freely drain. Helping the casualty to maintain a clear airway is critical, and this does take priority over any suspected spinal injury. Now, as spinal injuries can be unstable, the best method we showed you before was using the log roll. But the log roll can only be performed when you've got multiple people there to assist, so they can support the head, the neck, and then log rolling the casualty. If you're on your own though, Professor Porter has come up with this alternative approach. This new position he's created reduces the risk of movement to spine, and it can also be performed by yourself without being reliant on others. Let's talk you through this new position. First of all, you as a first aider are going to kneel down next to the side of the casualty. You're going to move the arm out of the way, which will enable you to get closer to the casualty. You're going to lean over and carefully grab the furthest leg, and then you're going to cross it over. You're then going to carefully slide the casualty's nearest arm underneath their head with their palm facing upwards. Now remember to do this with minimal movement of their head. It's best done by using one hand to support their neck while sliding the other hand under their head. Slide until the casualty's head rests on top of their palm. You're then going to bring the casualty's other arm across their chest and towards you. Grasp their shoulder and their hip simultaneously, and then pull equally on each to roll the casualties towards you so they're resting on their side. Now adjust the upper leg so the hip and knee are at right angles, and then you continually monitor breathing until help arrives.